What's going on, everybody? So we got the daily / work truck here. It's pretty dirty, as you can tell. The way my driveway is, it pretty much stays like that. But it's just a 05 Silverado 5.3, just stock, nothing special. But right now it's got an edelbrock muffler on it, and since we're going into the new year, I figured I'd swap that out, put something else on it, go into the new year with a new sound. That's what's on it now. Looks like it's got a little leak right there. It's an edelbrock muffler. I don't know what kind or anything. And I got this Magnaflow. That's what I'm gonna be putting on it. I'll go ahead and do a little startup before I take that one off. Let y'all see how it sounds. And then once I put that one on there, we'll see how it sounds. It ain't dual exhaust or nothing like that. It's just one single muffler, single exhaust. That's all it is. Got her backed up on the ramps, the shop floor put down. Basically what I'm gonna do is just unbolt the whole exhaust from the Y pipe, take it off. That way it'd be a lot easier. I can just cut the muffler off and weld it all up out here in the open instead of being under the truck doing it. And if anybody's been watching my videos, y'all know I like to change up the exhaust on stuff here and there. So yeah, basically what we're doing again. Well, come up here to get a couple adapters there, because my pipe is 3-inch, but the muffler I got is 2.5 inch. So I'm gonna have to step down to the 2.5 and then step back up to the 3-inch, put my tailpipe back on. So it'll be 3-inch pipe, 2.5-inch muffler. Whatever kind of difference that'll make in sound, I'm not sure. There we go. All welded up. Now just to get that monstrosity wrestled back up under here and all bolted up, and then we'll see what it sounds like. Alright, got it all on there. I have done crunk it up. I don't think I like it. It's a lot quieter than it was, but I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and let y'all hear it. Yeah, so as you can tell, it's mighty quiet. Don't sound much different than a stock truck, really. I kind of figured it would probably be a little bit quieter, but I didn't know it'd be this quieter. Disappointed. Wish I would have just left the other one on there now. I think what I'm gonna do is probably, I guess, ride with this for a little bit, and then I think I might order me a race bullet or something to put on here and get the sound I'm looking for. Maybe I don't want it real loud, but I want it to have a good sound to it. That's gonna be the end of this one though. So yeah, I'll be changing this out here pretty soon, I do believe. A little too quiet for me. But like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Later.